Welcome to this nextflu tutorial. The central element of nextflu is a richly annotated and interactive phylogenetic tree of HA sequences. Placing the mouse over a tip in the tree will show details of the corresponding virus strain. Recent vaccine strains are indicated by a cross. Placing the mouse over a branch in the tree highlights the mutations that map to this branch, and clicking onto the branch zooms into the corresponding clade, while repeatedly clicking onto the branch increases the zoom level. To get back to the original tree layout, press Reset Layout. On the left, you'll find the date slider, which indicates a time interval, and only viruses within that interval are shown on the tree. This interval can be grabbed with a mouse and moved along the time axis while the tree continuously updates. The size of the interval can be manipulated by grabbing the left end of the slider. Below the legend, you'll find a menu to choose among different options to color the tree. Geographic region, for example, assigns each virus to a rough geographic region and colors it accordingly. By putting the mouse over an item in the legend, the corresponding viruses are highlighted. Other options are available, for example sampling date or predictors of clade success, such as the local branching index. Below the coloring menu, you'll find a field where you can enter positions in the HA1 protein. Entering 159, for example, will color the tree by amino acid at position 159 in HA1. Again, the legend is linked to the tree, and mousing over different items in the legend highlights the corresponding viruses. Other proteins can be accessed by explicitly saying HA2 18, for example, which will color the tree by the position 18 in HA2. The field below allows the restriction of the tree display to viruses from specific geographic regions, say North America. While the field below that allows to search for strains on the tree. Stockholm 40 2015 is over here. Moving down on the page shows two additional graphs, the lower one of which shows the variability of the alignment along the HA segment, and the upper one is used to display frequencies of amino acid substitutions or clades through time. Mousing over one of these vertical bars, each of which corresponds to a variable position in the alignment, will show the corresponding codon and the amino acids at these positions. Clicking on the bar will plot the frequencies of the amino acids at this position through time in the upper plot, and color the tree by amino acid identity at this position, 225 HA1 in this case. The frequency display can be further specified to look only at specific geographic regions, for example like this, to plot asparagine at 225 in Asia. Click Plot Frequencies and you'll get the frequency trajectories both globally and within Asia for asparagine at position 225. Going back to the tree, I want to point out two last features. In this upper left corner here, you'll find two menus, one of which allows you to choose between seasonal influenza viruses A and B and the different lineages and subtypes. The other allows you to choose different time intervals of viruses to be included into the tree. For example, 12 years of H3N2 will show you a more sort of coarse-grained bird's eye view of human influenza virus evolution. So we hope nextflu is useful for tracking recent influenza virus evolution and would welcome any feedback and comments on the page. Thank you very much.